Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Holly if you are new here. Okay, so if you haven't figured it out already, I am going to be opening the February Boxycharm. Now, I've already opened this box, so I kind of know, well, I don't kind of know, like I know exactly what's in it. Alright, so like you know, obviously this is Boxycharm. I'm sure many of you have got it before in the past. This is actually my first ever Boxycharm box. I'm completely new to this, so yeah. After I will share like my thoughts and opinions on it and everything, and if I'm going to keep the subscription or not. Alright, so first up we have these wipes. They are the Evio Skin and Aurora Refreshing Cleansing Hemp Wipes. Let's see what they smell like. Ugh, they kind of smell very chemically, like chemicals kind of. I don't really like the smell of them, but that's okay. I would definitely use them. It says it's got the cannabis sativa seed oil. I've been getting like a lot of stuff that like has that in it in subscription boxes, so that's pretty cool. It doesn't say how many of these there are in them, but whatever, we'll give it a go. Next up we have these facial radiance pads from First Aid Beauty. It says it helps exfoliate, tone, and brighten. These smell kind of gross too as well. They kind of remind me of like those Oxy pads. I used to use those like way back in high school, you know. So that'll be something to try out. Next up we have these, what is this? It's from Ciate London. And it is the Everyday Vacay Coconut Setting Powder. It's cute. Oh, look at how reflective the packaging is. That's crazy. It's like a mirror. It smells like coconut. Like a hint of coconut, not like overwhelming. It's like pure white though. It's like baby powder or something, but we'll try it out because I have like really naturally pale skin. I think I went over, I don't know, my skin's looking weird right now. I think I like overdid it with like the bronzer and the blush. I'm sick of being pale. Like, when is it gonna be summer, you know? Next up we got these brushes. Excuse the wrapping noise. Okay. Let's just take this stuff off and see how it is. I can't wait. I'm so excited for brushes. And I'm actually excited for like big fluffy brushes because that's exactly what I needed. Oh, this one looks cool. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I doubt it's coming up on the camera, but can you see like the little texture? This is a bronzer brush, and it's by the, what is this company? Oh my gosh, I don't even know. Alamar or something? Yeah, okay. And then we got this one. It's kind of like angled. It's very fluffy. It is a complexion brush. And then this one's a brightening brush. They are all super, super fluffy feeling, and I'm so excited to have actually big fluffy brushes because Ipsy never sends me big fluffy brushes. And last but certainly not least, we have this eyeshadow palette. Iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. This is also like my first ever like big eyeshadow palette. Like, I am very new with makeup if you haven't figured it out already. So I'm excited for this. This looks actually very nice. Oh, that's what the colors are like. I really like this because it's very like neutral colors, and I'm definitely like all here for neutral colors. I don't really do anything crazy with my eyes. But we have some like matte colors and some like metallics too. Kind of reminds me of the Tati Beauty palette, kind of, in a way. That's what it reminds me of. Let me do some swatches. We're going to swatch this Deep Soul is what it's called. Okay. Okay, so it's kind of, you know, it looks like it's gonna be awesome for like a beginner, because it definitely looks like it goes on pretty light, but you can build it up. Let's swatch like that was just like a flat black coat, like a matte black, or not black, oh my gosh, brown. Let's swatch like a metallic-y color. I think I'm going to do this one down here, Icon, it is called. I don't know why I chose the lightest color to swatch on camera. That's pretty stupid. But it's really shimmery. Let me do like one that we can see really good. We'll do this Rags to Riches. It's kind of like this, I don't know, bronzy looking color. I'll probably never use this color because it comes out like really orangey, but it looks like it's pretty pigmented though. So that's pretty good. I'm excited for that. All right, so that was my 5 items. I'm very actually pleased with Boxycharm. I'm definitely going to keep the subscription, and I can't wait to get next month's already. Yeah, so I'm like so used to Ipsy bags, so like upgrading to Boxycharm is like blowing my mind right now, because I'm used to like these teeny tiny little samples from Ipsy, but like these full-size like items, oh, it is just awesome. I cannot wait for next month. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you would like, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.